Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about a rare remedy Abrus Precatorius and know its benefits in homeopathic treatment. Welcome to this channel Homeopathy World. This video is a part of Materia Medica series in homeopathy by Dr. Samina. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about the guiding symptoms of the remedy Abrus Precatorius. Common name is crab's eye wine. It's also known as JEQUIRITY or Abrus Precatorius. In Sanskrit, it is called as Kakadantika or Kakasahavaya. In English, it is called as Indian licorice root, and in Hindi, it's called Gunchi or Gunja. It belongs to the family of Leguminosae. Its preparation is done by obtaining tincture of trituration of the seeds. Now let's see the characteristics of Abrus Precatorius. Abrus Precatorius is a climbing plant, a native of India, but has been introduced to the Western tropics, and its use as an eye remedy was discovered by the Brazilian natives, who gave it the name JEQUIRITY. It has small nearly globose seeds which are of a brilliant scarlet color, with a black scar indicating where they were attached to the pods. These seeds are poisonous. The roots are used for licorice purpose, and seeds are dried and used for necklaces and jewelry. In Ayurveda, purified Abrus is a nerve stimulant and is used to vata disorders like joint pains and paralysis. The paste of this seed is applied locally in alopecia and skin diseases. The Abrus seeds are considered poisonous in Ayurveda, and a specific method has to be done to purify them. This remedy gives a series of striking cures, but the constitutional effects are more important to the homeopaths. We have to understand this remedy in detail by studying its clinical affections. Clinically, it is used in the treatment for epithelioma, lupus, ulcers and granular lids. It cures headache, purulent of diphtheric swelling of the conjunctiva, distressing lids with intense swelling of face, neck and chest, granular ophthalmia and keratitis, pain in extremities, high-grade fever and malaise. In skin, erysipelatous tenderness of skin, lupus and indolent ulcers. Relationship, it's compared to jaquiritol and ipecac in ophthalmia. Jaquiritol has identical features of physiological and toxic properties with the similar principles found in snake venom. Dosage: mother tincture is diluted and applied locally, and 3x is given externally. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and mention if you have any doubts regarding this remedy or if you know any other benefits of Abrus Precatorius in comment section below. Thank you for watching.